going on, Gunners? I'm in a great fucking mood, so nobody ruin it. Alright, just got back from Tri-State, picked up a whole bunch of things, alright? I got my air fuel gauge, I got my boost gauge, I got my Sparko steering wheel getting ready to get turned on, put on. Too hyper right now. I need to calm down. I'm wilding out right now. I'm wilding out. Anyway, let's start the vlog. Keep going. Got some drip, boys. Big shout out to Frank Downstar. Ordered these online. They came really, really quick. So we're all about the detail onto this car, and we picked up some burned. Man, look how bad those nails look. I'm sorry, man. I'll be gunning. Some bolts for the steering wheel. We're about to install that. I already installed the hub here. Let's show you guys real quick. There it is. We're about to put this steering wheel on. It's about to be go time, boys. It's almost that time. I am so hyper. How's that looking, boys? How's that looking, boys and girls? I'm putting on these with a little bit of blue thread lock because I'd hate for these guys to come loose. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. How good does that look right there, boys? Give me some comments, huh? So much for that. Steering wheel failed, boys. I'm gonna need to I'm gonna need to put a quick release on this. God damn, I like it without the quick release, man. Alright, I'll order a quick release now. Wow, that looks good. Finally putting in the fluids in the transmission. Boy, this was a little bit of a pain down there, but I got it done. Got the funnel in there. This is what I'm using for transmission fluid. Motul 75-140. Great fluid, lasts long. Is it really needed for synchro mesh? Yeah, why not? I mean, if you're gonna stick some oil in there, it might as well be this. So putting 2 quarts in there, that should be more than enough. And I'm just moving on to more things. I also installed the LED headlights, so I still have to make the harness that comes from the fuse box onto this side and this side. Finish up the fan. I hate wiring. I really, really hate it, but it's super necessary. And I also ordered that quick release for the steering wheel. Man, it looks so good without. I'm so mad I have to put a quick release on here, but it looks great. I like it. This car is coming out beautiful, man. Boys, this is painful, man. I paid so much money for this charge harness, and I'm about to dice it up, man. I literally only just need these 2 plugs right here, which would be the starter signal and then the plug for the alternator. The rest I won't need. I'll obviously save it, but God damn you, Bin Laden. Alright, guys. Alright, boys. Alright. We're gonna dice this guy up here. Why is this focus with this thing? Come on. I'm over here. I'm working over here. Working over here. Okay, boys. I moved camera angles over here. So I have to dice up this because I just need these 2 plugs. One is going to be the starter, and the other is going to be alternator. It's going to be alternator. While we're here, I might as well chop it up with you. I'm so glad to be back in racing because of all the lives that I've helped and changed. Because it's so awesome to get some of the feedback from it. You know what I mean? It's not like every day someone tells you that you're their hero. So I take it so serious when it comes to my gunners, man. They know, like they follow me, they see the passion. I figured I'd have this dialogue with you while I'm chopping up this $200 harness. What a jerk. Yeah, man. How has the movement changed your life? Has it changed your life, or just the racing part? Have you been picking up some of the you know what it is? I've been through a lot, man. You know what I mean? I've been through a lot. I've been through betrayal. I've been through jealousy. I've been through envy. I've lost a lot of money in this world. I lost, a lot of people that I loved, I don't really talk to people about it. You know what I mean? Like, I try to keep my personal stuff off of line. But right now, I don't know why I feel like venting. But that's why I always got my guard up. You know what I mean? Everybody's always like, yo, Aki, you know, some of these comments, like, they're not really that bad. But I just take it like, yo, you coming for me like you're just another obstacle. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep tough skin, man. You gotta keep a shell over you, man. Because this world, bro, my brothers, this is all I need. and then the green wire. But I don't know if you're paying attention to me right now. Maybe you're skipping past this, whatever, but whatever. This world is cruel, man. And you always got to have your guard up. That's why this movement means so much to me. Because we protect each other, you know? And if, like, you're just joining this channel, like, yo, welcome in, man. Like, we embrace new gunners, man, all the time. We welcome them in with love, bro. We take care of each other, man. You know, before you pass judgment on me or my gunners, and that goes for every gunner, all my gunners. Like, just get to know us first, bro. Like, don't go based off word of mouth, you know? We literally just stick up for each other. And we don't take BS. You know? But I'll finish cutting up this harness now. But I wanted to have this dialogue with y'all because I love y'all. That's the bottom line. So basically, out of this whole entire harness here, right? That's garbage. So I took the knock sensor out. I took the alternator plug. And then these two wires go into the harness. And if you're wondering what this wire is, it's simple. This is the starter. Plug this guy into the starter, and you're good to go. So I am going to go ahead and make this look really nice and pretty, and then plug that up. I've got a, so this is a K21, and this knock sensor plug will not work, so I have to chop this guy off. Take this line out, right? And then I'm going to use the K24 one, which is a smaller knock sensor. I want to run the knock sensor because this car is turbo, so I don't want to take any chances. So if there is any noise, we can pick it up, immediately. So I'll cut this here, so this loom can come out. Got my shrink tube here. Very simple. I've shown you guys how to do this numerous times, but the more the merrier. This guy I don't tool aid. Everyone asked last time. So tool aid. That's what it is. Shrink tube. Cut that up. Don't need that much of it. Same here. Like I said, the more knowledge I know, the more I just try to give it to you guys. Whatever, I'm not, like I said, I'm not great with wiring, but I try my best. You know what I'm saying? So put this end to end here. Just twist, and I'm gonna make it flat. And I don't use any tape or solder. Honestly, that's a little too much. You don't need that much. You bend that guy down right there. Get the shrink tube into there. Put that in the middle. And simply with a lighter. Now nothing can get inside. We'll move the glue around also. Press down on there. That's it. This harness is ready. It is ready for the knock sensor, is ready for the alternator, and ultimately the last wire, which is this guy. I'll just get these guys to stay together, nice and clean, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I pretty much plugged that harness in. It's just 2 plugs. I'm pretty much done for today. I'm still waiting for this two-hole radio cover for the boost and air fuel gauge. So I don't really have much to do until parts come in. We should be turning on this car this week, hopefully. Trappy is down in Texas. He's helping the shop Houston out right now, and I know he's kicking butt. So I don't know. I'm just chipping away at this car, man. So like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys, man. Thank you for your support every single day, man. I love you. Keep gunning.